Hi, I'm Phil, and today I thought I'd give you an update on how I'm going with my programmable watch projects. So I'm looking at the Bangle.JS version 2, and I've done quite a few projects on this over the last week. I'm not that familiar with JavaScript, a lot to learn, and that's really the main objective. So these are some of the projects. I've tested all the functions. I've tested JavaScript, and I've also set up the same development environment, and that's called Espruino for both the microbit computer and also for Bangle.JS. Tested sensors and actuators. I've looked at the emulation of the VT100 terminal, and today all of these projects actually, the results went to the console of the IDE. Now, I wanted to develop a Hello World program that showed the results on the watch's LCD. So there's two programs I'm going to show you today. One is the name badge, and it's just going to put my name on the watch screen. So what I want to do is when I press the button, which is on the side of the watch, just over here or here, and when I do that, it will show my name on the watch. It will also then clear the screen every 5 seconds. So the main purpose is to learn JavaScript. And I'll give you a bit of a walkthrough of the software. We'll actually go through the IDE separately. So here is the code, and we'll have a look at the app. So this app is actually a Chrome app, and it's very similar to the construction of the Microsoft MakeCode. So you've got a working area over here that actually shows you the results, and the code is on the right, and there are various tools in the middle here. And you can see the code, name badge 4, and we will, when I start it, it will actually give the results on the screen. So I'm now got my watch, and I'll update it. So it's disconnected. So to connect it, you just simply press the top button. I'm going to use web Bluetooth, and it's going to tell me if there's any devices which are compatible with this. So we'll reset the watch. And that's one of the troubles that I have, is that it often doesn't pair immediately. So what I'm doing here is actually resetting the watch and see if I can pair it again. So go to web Bluetooth. You might have to do this a couple of times to try and get it to work. Anyway, we're trying to get it to work now. Okay, so we've eventually got it working. At the moment, I've got a clear screen, and when you look on the button, you look on the screen on the left, it will give you some diagnostics, and that's when it's writing to the console.log. So when I press the button, or when I press and when I release the button, you get that information. And on the watch itself, it shows my name for a couple of seconds. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll give you a physical demonstration of that. So here we have Bangle.js, and it's got my program downloaded. So when I press the button on the watch just here, it will show my name, then clear it. And just to show you what goes on the screen on the console, This is the overall Espruino IDE. So there's my program on over here, and what I'm going to do is just press the button, press the watch. So as I press the button on the watch, I get the diagnostics